What's up guys? Have a blessed day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Marami pong salamat at asahan nyo pong patuloy po akong mag-upload ng mga maayos na unit. Kagaya nitong lineup, na-check at na-scan na po natin to. Kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan, panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Ready na ba kayo? Eto na po sila. Nangunguna sa ating lineup, 2019 Ford Ranger 2.0 Wild Track 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 31,000 kms, price 960,000. Location Las Piñas City. May back sensor na po ito at reverse camera. Push start, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. May anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. May 7 airbag po ito. Maayos po ang mga upuan, naka all leather seats. May rear center armrest with cup holder. Maayos ang suspension nito at mayroon na rin itong bed liner cover. Under the hood, naka 2.0 bi-turbo power diesel engine na may 158 horsepower at 420 Nm of torque. Available po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Kung cash basis naman po kayo, negotiable pa po ito, at kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede rin po dito trade-in. Excellent exterior appearance, makinis, original shiny paint. 2012 Mazda CX-7 2.5L automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 328,000. Location Parañaque City. Top of the line series, naka-registered po ito hanggang 2024. Fresh and clean all leather interior. Meron na rin po itong cruise control, automatic transmission with Tiptronic. No delay in shifting, malakas po humatak. May armrest na rin to sa likod at cup holder. Well maintained and well preserved unit, all power at naka-power seats na po yan. First owned unit, maayos po ang kondisyon nito. Pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual, may back sensor na rin siya working. Guaranteed no engine issue, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Malinis po ito, walang tagas ng langis at bago po ang battery nito. Good running condition, sasakyan nyo na lang to. Naka-keyless entry na po yan, retractable po ang side mirror at lahat po ng gulong, naka-all disc brake na po yan. Must see the unit to appreciate. Nating to fix na po ito. Next, 2019 Hyundai Kona 2.0 GLS automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 650,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang ganda ng kulay nito, naka full garnish set na rin to. May high mounted stoplight, push start, front wheel drive po ito, 6-speed automatic transmission. May 6 na airbag na po ito, 2 in front, 2 at the sides, and 2 curtains. Best buy unit to sa naghahanap ng crossover na 5-seater, naka all leather na po ang mga upuan. Saktong laki lang po ang trunk space nito, all intact ang interior. Under the hood, naka 2.0 gas engine na may 147 horsepower at 179 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen, naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Naka-keyless entry na rin to, may immobilizer. Maayos pa naman ang mga gulong, makakapal pa. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. 2014 Ford Focus 1.8L automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 288,000. Location Parañaque City. Gwapong-gwapo po ang forma nito, pristine condition, pwede sa masela na buyer. Multi-info display, 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. All power features, lahat po gumagana 100%. Ice cold dual aircon with automatic climate control. Sariwa, malinis at intact po ang interior nito. Solid ang under chassis, wala po itong kalampag. First owner lang po ito at alaga ng may-ari. Under the hood, garantisadong wala po itong oil leakage, wala pong overheat history. Maayos po ang kondisyon ng makina, no hidden defects. Pwede nyo pong i-view at i-test drive ang unit at pwede po kayo magdala ng sarili nyong mekaniko. Best buy unit to sa mga naghahanap ng below 300k ang budget na sedan. Pwede nyo pong i-check at i-consider to. No issue po ang unit na to, sasakyan nyo na lang. Next, 2003 Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 156,000 kms, price 238,000. Location Parañaque City. Well maintained and well preserved unit, regular PMS with records, power steering, naka dual airbag, naka touchscreen head unit with reverse camera, smooth driving, smooth po at responsive ang transmission nito, wala pong delay sa shifting. All power, all gauge are working. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. Malamig ang aircon ng unit na to, malinis po ang loob, naka fabric seats. Maayos po ang mga pang-ilalim nito, maayos po ang suspension, wala po itong kalampag. Unit ko po ito kaya garantisadong wala po itong issue, maayos po. Check nyo po engine bay nito, malinis po ang makina nito, wala pong oil leakage, wala pong overheat history, no hidden defects. Naka-registered po ito hanggang 2024, kompleto po ang mga papel, ready for transfer. Outside appearance, smooth shiny paint, mga gulong nito nito makakapal pa po, nasa 90% trade line. 2017 Nissan Juke 1.6 N-Style automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 590,000. Location Las Piñas City. Ang ganda din ng kulay nito. Sa nag-request sa akin ng Nissan Juke, check mo to idol. Naka touchscreen head unit, front wheel drive, naka CVT transmission, malamig po ang aircon nito, may automatic climate control, maluwag ang space ng second row nito, naka two-toned leather seats, 5-seater capacity, maayos at presentable ang kondisyon ng unit, sariwang-sariwa, may deep dish matting sa trunk space, under the hood, naka 1.6 liter gas engine na may 116 horsepower at 154 Nm of torque, naka Amaron battery, no issue. Syempre, available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen, naka 17 inches alloy wheels at ang mga gulong nito naka Yokohama, nasa 90% trade line, excellent outside appearance, wala pong gasgas, walang dent. 2018 Ford Ranger 2.0 Wild Track 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 930,000. Location Las Piñas City. Naka full garnish set na po ang likod nito, may back sensor, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, naka Android touchscreen head unit with iOS with navigation with Bluetooth ready, may stability and traction control system. Kasa maintain po ang unit na to, maayos po ang itsura ng mga upuan, wala pong mga punit, very presentable po yan. May bed liner cover na rin to, ang angas ng forma. Under the hood, naka 2.0 bi-turbo power diesel engine na may 158 horsepower at 420 Nm of torque. Malinis po ang rims nito at wala po pong mga gutter marks. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 85% trade line. Ready to use na po ang unit na to, ready for long drive. Sasakyan na lang to, just diesel and go. Next, 2012 Kia Sportage 2.0 EX automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 430,000. Location Las Piñas City. All stock po ang likod nito, may back sensor, well maintained and well preserved unit, all power, all mechanism are working well, 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic manual mode. Maluwag ang second row nito, maayos ang space ng legroom tsaka headroom, 5-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather na po. Maluwag po ang trunk space nito, pwede po ito sa mahilig mag-travel. Under the hood, naka 2.0 gas engine na may 122 horsepower at 197 Nm of torque. Malinis, no leaks, no overtaste history, no engine issue. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Kung may iba pa po kayong inquiry at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. 2018 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLS automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 450,000. Location Las Piñas City. Smooth shiny paint, very presentable, all power, all mechanism are working well, naka touchscreen head unit, smooth and responsive po ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, naka two-toned leather seats, alaga po ng may-ari ito. Kita naman sa kondisyon ng mga upuan, 100% not flooded unit, 100% no accident history. Under the hood, naka 1.2 liter gas engine, Mebec, na may 77 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ulit ng computation na nasa screen. Naka-stock 15 inches alloy wheels pa po yan, disc brake po ang harap at drum brake po ang likod. Ready for long drive na po ang unit na to, just gas and go. 2016 Toyota Fortuner 2.4V 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 1,170,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa nagpapahanap sa akin ng top of the line na Fortuner na kulay white, push start, may cruise control, may stability and traction control, automatic transmission with paddle shifter, naka power seats at naka power windows, naka original leather seats po ang mga upuan, 7-seater po ang capacity at maayos pa po ang kondisyon nito, halos bago pa po ang interior at labas. Check nyo po engine bay nito, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine na may 144 horsepower at 343 Nm of torque. Sa mga interesado, available po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Pearl white ang kulay, ang ganda ng pagkaputi. Overall appearance ng unit, makinis, wala pong gasgas, walang dent, very presentable, just diesel and go. 2018 Toyota Avanza 1.5G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 680,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng Avanza na 1.5 liter na mababa lang po ang mileage, check nyo to mga idol. Power steering na po ito, may dual airbag, may anti-lock braking system, malamig ang aircon nito with automatic climate control, 7-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather seat cover. Solid ang under chassis nito, wala po itong kalampag, halos hindi nagagamit ang third row niyan, foldable po ang upuan na yan kung gusto nyo pong malaki ang trunk space. Under Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter dual VVTi gasoline engine na may 103 horsepower at 136 Nm of torque. Naka-stock 15 inches alloy wheels at wala pa pong mga gutter marks. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Naka-disc brake na po ang harap nito at brake drum po ang likod. Best buy unit, no issue. 2016 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4 GLS Premium 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 990,000. Location Las Piñas City. Naka-fully garnish set na po yan, may back sensor at reverse camera. Push start with cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission na po ito with paddle shift. Naka-power seat na po ito at power windows. Clean and intact ang interior, naka 7-seater capacity at naka-two-toned leather seats na po ito. May aircon ventilation ang likod. Maluwag po ang trunk space nito, marami po kayong mailalagay. Check nyo po engine bay nito, garantisadong wala pong issue. No leaks, no overheat history, malinis. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito, updated po ang registration, ready for transfer. LTO verified na rin to. Outside appearance nito, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just diesel and go. Next, 2014 Toyota Fortuner 2.5V automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 850,000. Location Las Piñas City. Eto, another Toyota Fortuner, top of the line series din ito, B variant. Naka touchscreen head unit na rin to, smooth and responsive po ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, maayos ang kondisyon ng unit. Mga upuan nito naka all leather, wala po pong mga crack, walang punit. 7-seater capacity, maayos din po ang suspension nito, wala rin pong kalampag. Under the hood, naka 2.5 diesel engine na may 144 horsepower at 343 Nm of torque, fuel efficient. Available din po ito sa financing at ulitin ko lang po, kung cash basis po kayo, negotiable siya upon viewing, at kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede rin po sa kanila trade-in. Sa gusto pong magpa-schedule ng viewing, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. 2017 Toyota Innova 2.0J manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 690,000. Location Las Piñas City. Loaded na po itong unit na to sa nagpapahanap po sa akin ng manual transmission na gas engine na Innova. Power steering na rin po ito, naka dual airbag, may touchscreen head unit. Clean and intact po ang interior nito, naka fabric seats, 8 to 10 seater capacity. Solid ang under chassis, wala rin po itong kalampag. May rear aircon vents at maluwag po ang trunk space nito. Check nyo po engine bay nito. Guaranteed no engine issue, no leaks, no overheat history. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Pwede po kayong mag-set ng schedule sa gusto pong mag-view ng unit para ma-check nyo po ng actual at ma-test drive. At magsama na rin kayo ng sarili nyong mekaniko para magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. 2015 Toyota Camry 2.5V automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 51,000 kms, price 750,000. Location Las Piñas City. Top of the line series, V variant po na Toyota Camry. May back sensor na po yan, all stock, all original. Push start button with cruise control, all power, all mechanism are working well. Malamig po ang aircon nito. Clean and intact po ang interior. Mga upuan po nito naka all leather seats. Sasakyan mo na lang to, nothing to fix, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana may nakursunadahan kayo mga idol at bossing ko, at kung wala pa po dyan ang kursunada nyong sasakyan, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Huwag nyo pong kalimutan, i-click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J. Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!